Today we'll show the simple steps for embedding a podcast in a WordPress.com site. You can embed Podbean players in any website that's self-hosted really easily with our embeddable players, so check the support center for more on that. WordPress.com is a little more limited, so we have an easy way to go about it, but you can't use the customizable players there because of the limitations of what you can embed in WordPress. So it's really simple though. We're going to go to our Podbean account, and I'm in the publishing section where I'm logged in, and I'm going to go to the Media Manager, and I can see all of my files here. So I can find my podcast episode, and I'm going to first do it with an audio file. So I'm going to click on this test audio file, and it's going to pull up my URL. So this is how I find the URL. So I'm simply going to click on that and copy it. And then I'm going to go, I have my WordPress blog open right here. Go to my WordPress blog and create a post. So in my post editor, I'm just going to say sample audio, and go to the editor over here and go in the HTML editor, and all I have to do is Control V, cut and paste. And put that right in there. And then if I go back to the visual editor, you'll see here that it's already nicely put it in the proper coding that I need. So I'll just do a preview to show what it looks like as it gets working here. Let's see what it'll look like on my post. So this is my blog, and this is the post with whatever title I put there, and here's the simple player that plays the podcast audio. So it's a really easy process. Just to show real quick what it looks like if I do a video. Here's one of my videos, so I'll just click on this, and similar process. I get the URL, copy it there, go to my WordPress blog, and in this case I'm going to just change out the post that I already had. So do that, and I'll call it sample video so I can see what this looks like. And again, if you look back, it should be properly coded in here. And I can do a preview and see what it looks like. Okay, there's my blog, and there's my sample video post, and my video is inserted right into my post with an easy player button here and all of the information that's needed. So it's a really easy process for embedding into WordPress.com sites. So check out our support center for the quick, easy steps, or just follow these to post it.